Good morning. For breakfast, I thought I would make my high-protein pancakes that contain no protein powder. I'm doubling my normal pancake recipe since I'm making pancakes also for Aaron. First, I crack 4 eggs into a bowl. Then I add Greek yogurt. I'm using low-fat Greek yogurt in this, which contains 13 grams of protein per 100 grams. So with this yogurt, these pancakes contain over 35 grams of protein per serving. Then I add a little bit of maple syrup for sweetness and vanilla extract for flavor. Next, I add all-purpose gluten-free flour mix. If you don't have celiac disease, gluten intolerance, or IBS, you can of course use wheat flour in this recipe. Lastly, I add baking powder. I cook the pancakes on a non-stick skillet for a few minutes on each side. I flip the pancakes when bubbles are starting to form. Here are the ready pancakes. I like to serve them with some berries, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit of maple syrup on top. I'm now adding finishing touches to my master's thesis. I can't believe it's almost ready. This project has been way harder than I ever imagined. I've really struggled to find time and motivation for writing, and unfortunately about a month ago, my grandma suddenly passed away and we were really close. So I haven't been in the right headspace either for writing, but I'm so proud of myself for getting this far. Now I just need to read it through, send it to my professor, and fingers crossed it's good enough, so then I can submit it. For lunch, I'm gonna make a summery salad. First, I make a marinade for chicken. I mix together olive oil, Dijon mustard, paprika spice, salt, pepper, and some chili flakes. I let the chicken breasts marinate for 15 minutes. For the salad dressing, I mix together olive oil, balsamic vinegar, honey, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Then I cut 2 peaches into slices. I also chop some walnuts for a crunchy element. Then I just build the salad. The salad turned out so delicious, perfect for summer.
Oh, Sandy! You are covered in mud. Very nice. Very nice.
For snack, I'm making high-protein Snickers-inspired ice cream. I add 2 frozen bananas into a blender with some milk, unsweetened cacao powder, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. The peanut butter I use is 100% made of peanuts. And lastly, I add vegan chocolate caramel protein powder. Then I just blend everything together. I like to serve it with some berries. Such a fun snack idea. To celebrate that we're both almost ready with our thesis, we're going to go get some sushi and have a little picnic, and Sandy is gonna come with us. Then we went to get a dessert from the grocery store. First we thought we would take ice cream. Aaron even wanted to show you guys how long the ice cream aisle is and how many options there are. But we ended up choosing mochi ice cream. We picked 2 for today and 2 for tomorrow. We shared these, so I got half of the strawberry one and half of the mango. The strawberry was my favorite. This was my second time ever eating mochis. They are so yummy. I want to try making them myself one day too. We're now taking Sandy on her evening walk. I really hope you like this video, and if so, be sure to give it a thumbs up. The written recipes for the meals I made are in the description box as always. Enjoy!